Here we have a program to perform binary search on sorted list. As we know, binary search algorithm is far efficient than the linear search because it do not require the comparison of each element of a list. In each iteration of the binary search, the entire list divided into a half portion because it works on the divide and conquer policy. So binary search has more good response in comparison to the linear search. But one of the limitation of binary search is the list should be in sorted order. It should be in ascending or descending order. Now, here we have a program. In the first line, just we have defined the function binary search, and this binary search function is taking two arguments. First is the array in which we have to array or list in which we have to search the element, and second is the key element which we are looking for. So in binary search we need to divide the entire list into a two part. So just we need one intermediate variable low initially, which is initialized by the 0, and another variable high which is initially initialized by the length minus 1, length of a list minus 1. So that will be the higher value. So suppose if we have a list of 10 elements, then the lower value will be 0 and high will be 10 minus 1, that is 9. Now just we are going to take one while loop, and this while loop will process till the value of low is less than equal to high, and once this condition will become false, the loop breaks and control come out. Now here we have calculated the mid, and this mid is the third intermediate value which is variable which is required in a binary search algorithm. It will calculate the mid position of the list by taking the value of low and high. So suppose in the first iteration the value of low is here 0 and the high is here 9, because just we are taking the list of 10 elements. So 0 plus 9 divided by 2 becomes 4.5. But as we have taking the integer value, so the mid will store 4 as its value. Now we are going to compare the key element which user has entered with the index 4th. Is it the both value are equal? So if the both value are equal, then the element are found and it will return it to the main function. Now in case if the mid is not equal to the key value, it will do one more comparison, that key is lesser than AR mid value. If the key is lesser than mid value, then the high will reinitialize by mid minus 1, or in other case low will initialize by mid plus 1. Now in case if these conditions do not met, means the entire loop will execute and this condition become true, so the loop breaks and the else part of the loop get executed. In else part of loop, just we have returned one value. This is the random value and it's minus 111. This is not required, just we will need to take minus 111, just we have to take any negative value. Now this is the main part of the program. Here we have allowed the user to enter its list, then allowed the user to enter the search item, then we have called here binary search algorithm, and when the function is called, it will carry this entered list and the entered item, and it will work upon the particular list, and according to the response whatever comes, if the response is greater than equal to 0, it means the elements are found, and if it is not going to return the value greater than or equal to 0, it means the element is not found. So here just I am going to give you a demonstration ki how this function will work. So suppose we have one list here of the 10 elements, and the first element is stored at the 0th index and the last element is stored at the 9th index, because this is the list of 10 elements. So this will be the low at the first time and this will be the high at the first time. Now first we have to calculate the mid value. So here low is 0 and high is 9. So when we will add 0 plus 9, that is 9, and when we will divide 9 by 2, it becomes 4.5, and the integral value near integer to 4.5 is the 4. So this will be the mid. Now suppose user want to search the 12. So in key variable 12 is stored and it is compared with the 21. Is the 21 is equal to 12? No. Now the comparison will done. Is the 12 is lesser than 21? Yes. So the lower will be same but high will be reinitialized and it become 3. So in next iteration, again we will calculate the mid value, and the mid value will compared on the basis of calculated on the basis of this new and this new low and high value. So here low is a 0 and high is a 1. So 0 plus 3 is 3 and 3 divided by 2 become 1.5, and the nearest lower integer of 1.5 is 1. So it is a 12. Now the user want to search the 12, so it will found the required element and the loop breaks. Now in the another situation, it might be the case the user will want to search the element of the higher side. So suppose user want to search the element 33. So in that case what happened? In the first situation, the mid value was calculated as 4 and the 4 has a value 21. So 33 is compared with the 21. So it is compared 21 is less than 33? No, it's a higher. So the low will initialize with the mid plus 1. So the new low become the 25, that is the 5th index. And the high will be 9. So now 5 plus 9, that is 14. 14 divided by 2, this will become the new mid. Now this mid has a value 33 and when it is compared, then the element found here. So let's we see the response of this program in a Python interpreter. So here we have a program, same program we have written here, and when I will run this program, it will ask for the list here. So when I enter a list, suppose I am entering some random value, but it should be in sorted order because the binary search will work only in the sorted list. So just I have entered the 6 value here, and when I will proceed further, then it will ask for the item to be searched, and suppose I will enter here 34, then it will give us a message 34 found at index 1, because 0 is at the index 2, 12 is at the index 0 and 34 is at the index 1. Now I am going to run this program for some another false value, means the list do not contain the required element, then how the program will behave. So here again we have taken some random value and just I want to perform the search operation. So here we have a value 12, 56, 76, 89, 93 and 97. Suppose I want to search the element 90 here and element is not present here. So it will give us a message 90 not found in array. So Binary search is very efficient algorithm to search a element because it is going to divide the list in a half part in each iteration. So it doesn't matter how longer the list is, maximum it needs only 14 to 15 comparison to find the required element. So now I'm going to conclude this topic here. Thank you.